Hello, my name is Josiane and today I will talk about tea burn. But first of all, I ask you to stay until the end of the video because I have a very important news to talk to you. Tea burn is a proven powder supplement that can help you lose weight. It is a safe and natural formula that accelerates metabolism, burns fat and reduces hunger. But before proceeding, it is important to be aware of frauds and scams related to this product. To ensure your safety when buying, I left in the description of this video the official link of Tea Burn where you can take advantage of a special offer from the producer. Remember that the purpose of the video is completely informative, so stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to do about the product. What is Tea Burn? Tea Burn is a dietary supplement designed to help people with weight loss difficulties. The researchers found something very common in overweight women and men. It plays a vital role in many metabolic and detoxification processes, being essential for maintaining the health and balance of the organism as a whole. Tea Burn offers a robust combination of nutrients that strengthen the immune system, keeping it strong and energized. Tea Burn accelerates metabolism and helps in burning fats accumulated within your body. Remember that it is not transgenic. Benefits of Tea Burn. Tea Burn is a natural, vegan, non-GMO and gluten-free tea supplement. It does not contain fillers, preservatives, artificial colors or stimulants. It is 100% safe and has no side effects. It is manufactured in the USA, in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility. It has been tested in third-party laboratories and is the highest quality, purity and potency available. Tea Burn is totally tasteless and instantly dissolves in any type of tea. It works so well regardless of the type of tea you drink or what you like to put in it. If you are looking for a natural and effective tea supplement to help you lose weight, Tea Burn is a great option. It is safe, effective and easy to use. It is essential to consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplementation, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions or are taking medications. It is recommended to do everything correctly to enjoy the wonderful effects throughout the day. Each organism works in a different way, so the results vary according to each person. The ideal is to do the treatment for a few months to have great results, especially if you want to lose more weight after 21 days. Tea Burn is available for purchase exclusively on the site I will be leaving below. It is not available on any other site or store. Incredible prices, because there are no intermediaries or agents. It is directly from the industry-leading manufacturer so it can be sent directly to you immediately. Your payment is a one-time payment. There are no hidden charges or subscription fees. Try Tea Burn today and see for yourself how it can help you lose weight and have a healthier life. Warranty. Java Burn offers a 100% warranty to its 60-day customers for product returns, full or empty bottles. If you are not fully satisfied with the product within 60 days, just contact us at or call the toll-free number. Full refund of the product within 48 hours of return, no questions and questions as to why. Conclusion. If you want to know more about Tea Burn and want to check the information closely, I will be leaving the link in the description for more information. Be sure to visit the site for free. I'm sure it will help you clarify many doubts. Write here in the comments your opinion about Tea Burn and if you have already used Tea Burn. If you like the Tea Burn, I will be leaving here in the description the link for more information if you feel the desire to acquire Tea Burn. Kisses and until the next video.